Greetings from my kitchen to yours. Hey, this is the big weekend for football. So we are going to try and do Big Mac sliders. Something that'll be good for the game. So let's get to it. Starting off, we're starting with 2/3 cups of mayonnaise. I'm adding to it 2.5 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish.
Sweet pickle relish.
Sweet pickle relish. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Mustard. And we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, we're going to mix this all up. This is what we will put on our buns. Looks pretty good. Mustardy looking though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, now we're going to set this aside and then we're going to start cooking our hamburger meat. Okay, we are starting cooking the hamburgers or hamburger meat. I've got 1 pound of, this is 80/20. I should have gotten the lean, but I really didn't know what I was going to do tonight. But anyway, we're starting off with this 1 pound of hamburger meat, ground beef, and we're going to cook it till all the pink is gone.
Every single last bit of pink.
Yeah, we don't want any of that pink in there. I want mine well done. Well, I can't get it out of my little deals. That's all right. We're going to kind of mash this up and start cooking this hamburger meat. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add to it my salt and pepper, which I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix that up in there. Okay, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of finely chopped white onion. So we will cook this until all the pink's gone and the onion is good and tender. Then I'm going to put it on once it's done, I'll put it on a paper towel and drain all that excess grease off. So it'll take about 8-10 minutes to get this done. Okay, I got my meat cooked. I drained it as good as possible, and I've got it on a paper towel to get some of that excess off. Meanwhile, I've taken, I'm going to use 12 Hawaiian sweet rolls, and I took a knife and just cut them in 2. Now I'm going to take my Big Mac mixture and spread over the rolls here. Try to get it as evenly as I can. All right, now we're going to take and we're going to put all the meat on top of the sauce. Okay, I've got my hamburger meat all and onions and everything on there. I'm taking American cheese slices. I've got about 9 of them. I'm just going to layer them on top of this. Well, it calls for 9, but to me 8 should be enough. So we're going to, I'll just stick one right in the middle for good measure. Yay! There we go. Okay, on top of this, we've got hamburger slices, chips. We're just going to try to get them on each bun if possible. It calls for about 24, but hey, just do your own thing. I'm just trying to get it where every bun would have a slice of pickle.
Every bun has a slice of pickle.
Every bun has a slice of pickle. We'll just kind of put some in the middle. I had a bunch of them out here, so we'll just fill her up. You like pickles, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to take the bun tops and put it on top. And I'm going to put this in the oven, and it's going to bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then we'll come back and add a little bit more. Okay. Let me tell you, I made a mistake. I wasn't supposed to put the bread on top until I'm supposed to leave it off and then just go ahead and bake this. So now then we're going to put the rest of this sauce on the top portion of the buns. Because we'll be putting it back in the oven. So we baked it for about 10 minutes, uncovered. Okay, I forgot my lettuce. Okay, I have chopped up about 2 cups of lettuce, shredded lettuce. I'm going to try to pile it on top a little bit here. Okay, got the lettuce on it. We're going to take and put this top of the rolls on top. Stacking it high, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, now I've got 2 tablespoons of butter melted that I'm spreading on top of the rolls.
Oh, that looks so good.
Okay, now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds and sprinkle on top of it. Okay, I don't think I need to leave just a little bit. Okay, we're going to put it back in the oven and we'll cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes or so. Okay, got it out of the oven. Now you could have done it a little bit different if you wanted to leave the lettuce off. You could just put the butter and the sesame seeds on it and cover it with aluminum foil and put it in for about 10 minutes. That'll help melt the cheese a little bit more, but I wanted the lettuce today. So anyway, that is our finished Big Mac slider.
All right, and I have an announcement that on Monday we will be releasing our first short, so look out for that. These sliders look good.
Yeah, we're going to dig into them. So there we go. We'll just cut them into pieces. So until next time, remember God is good all the time.
All the time, God is good.
Thanks for watching.